6 ways you can make money on YouTube. And why am I sharing this information? I was also looking for the same method or ways that I can use to make money on YouTube, and I found out everything. And I think it is also the right time for me to also give it back to the beginners who are also looking for ways to make money on YouTube, so that you need to understand the platform to know, okay, I need to do this and this on this platform so that I can be able to make money on it. And making money on YouTube can be easy if you understand all the steps that you need to follow, and everything is very simple to achieve only if you understand it, but it's also difficult to achieve if you don't understand it. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you 6 ways that you can make money on YouTube. So first of all, the first step that I will talk about is affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is like recommending product or recommending somebody product to a viewer or somebody, and when somebody now check out the product and the person buy the product, you get a commission out of it. And the commission plan can be maybe 50% commission or 20% commission, depending on the agreement that you have agreed with the person who own the product. Let's say I create a product and you tell a friend to now come and buy the product from me, and I say anybody who brings a customer, who brings somebody to come and buy the product from me, I'm going to be giving that person 50% of that particular amount that the person paid. And let's say my product is $50, so that means I'm going to be giving you $25 for every customer that you bring. That's affiliate marketing, and you can make money through affiliate marketing on YouTube. And that's the first method that I think it is possible for a beginner to make money on YouTube. And because affiliate marketing, for instance, your first viewer can be your first customer. So the second way to make money on YouTube is that of selling of digital product. So selling of digital product, like you can create an ebook and sell it out to your viewers, or sell it out to those who are in need of that particular product. Let's say you are a fitness coach, you can create an ebook to show you like the meals that they should always eat every morning. You can give maybe a meal plan as an ebook and sell it out to your subscribers or your viewers. That's what we are talking about, like digital product. Let's say I'm into the content creation industry, and I now want to help the beginners to start to also know how to create a YouTube video. So I can create an ebook showing the beginners or showing you guys how to create a YouTube video, how to edit it, and how to upload it, all that on YouTube. And if you now buy it out, I'm going to be making money on it. So that's how we mean by selling a digital product. The third way to make money on YouTube is consulting / coaching. Let's say you're a fitness coach, and you can create a coaching program showing people, like every week, maybe a particular day, you are going to be showing people that you show up and just face to face. It can be virtually face to face, and you train together with the people that you are that have subscribed to your offer. Let's say every morning routine, you wake up every 6 o'clock, train with your those who have subscribed to that particular product, you train with them. Or let's say you are a content creator, you want to teach beginners how to create content. You can be having a specific days that you always just sit with them, virtually. You sit at one place and you all through Zoom, and you teach them how to create content on YouTube and how to upload it, do all that stuff. So that's the next thing that you can also do. And the third thing to also do is the fourth way to make money on YouTube is through art. And art, for this particular one, the platforms YouTube is paying you for that. You don't need the only thing that you need is if people view your product, your videos, then YouTube is going to pay you for that. And that's the most ways that many creators earns money on YouTube. Let's say for instance, you click on my video and some ad, they will show you some particular ad. Some ad will play from the beginning of the video, and maybe for 5 seconds and you skip that particular ad before you now watch my video. So that's through how like you can also get paid on YouTube. And also we also have super chat and super thanks, where you can also like your viewers or your channel members can donate, or they can give you some like stickers. They can buy stickers or chat from you, so that they will be mentioned in your videos or so. So that's also another way you can make money on YouTube. So the next way to make money on YouTube is that of selling of physical product. Let's say selling of physical product, like you can open a hoodie shop, and you'll be selling it out and drop shipping it to anybody who buy your product. And this particular thing, you need to have like enough audience to do that, because selling of digital product can be a tedious thing to do, especially if you're a beginner. It's always difficult to do that. But when you grow your audience to some extent, let's say you're having about 50,000 to 100,000, even to 1 million subscribers, then that way you can be able to sell physical product easily on YouTube, and you're going to make big money on it. You are like selling of like physical product, you can make big money on it, but it's also like difficult for taking the inventory and other things. It's also very difficult to handle it. And the next way to make money on YouTube is that of brand deals stroke sponsorships. Brand deals stroke sponsorships. Brand deal like, or sponsorships, like let's say a particular company, like they are going to pay you for you to mention their product in your video, or you do a review of their product you do a review of their product. They are going to pay you for you to do a review of their product, or they are going to pay you for you to mention their product in your videos. That's what we mean by brand deals or sponsorships. And all these things are various ways that you can use to make money on YouTube. And if you want to learn more about making money on YouTube, all what you need to do is you need to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and turn on post notification bell, so that anytime that I upload a video like this, you get notified and come to the channel and check it out. And more to the point, you don't just make money on YouTube by watching this video like this. All what you need to do is you need to take an action. And I know that it's not everybody that is going to take action after watching this video. Some are going to be successful after watching this video. They are going to take action, and others are not going to take any action. And leaving your comfort zone is the only way to make money on YouTube. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.